How to split a page in PDF. Open your PDF in UPDF, go to Tools, and select the Split tool. You can choose a preset layout, or customize the number of vertical and horizontal lines on the right panel. You can also split by exact distance, and adjust the reading order if needed. Click Apply Changes to set the page range. You may also enable Delete Original Pages after splitting, or Auto Add to Favorites to save this template for future use. You can click the plus icon on the page to freely add and move split lines. Need to remove a line? Use Delete Divider to undo changes. Once everything is set, click Apply to split the page. This is especially handy when scanning books and need to split one page into two. Download UPDF and try it out for free today.